In the bustling realm of the internet, a website structure often stands as the silent architect of success, orchestrating the pathways that lead search engines and visitors toward your content. In the digital age, SCALZ.AI, where visibility can make or break an enterprise, optimizing your website structure for better search rankings is not merely an option, it's a necessity. Imagine your website as a city, with streets and avenues leading potential visitors to their desired destination, your content. The first step in optimizing the city for search engines is ensuring a clear and logical hierarchy. Your homepage should serve as the city's main square, linking directly to category pages, which in turn guide users to more specific content pages. A well-structured URL is like a signpost on a highway, offering both visitors and search engines clear direction. URLs should be short, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. For instance, instead of a complex string of numbers and letters, opt for a readable format like yoursite.com category topic. These user-friendly URLs improve user experience and allow search engines to index your pages more effectively. Navigation is another critical element. Employing a consistent menu across your site ensures that users can effortlessly explore the breadth of your content. Furthermore, incorporating an XML sitemap can act as a blueprint, giving search engines a detailed map of your site's structure. This roadmap assists search engines in discovering and indexing pages that might otherwise go unnoticed. Internal linking, the practice of linking to other pages within your website, is akin to building bridges across your city. These links distribute page authority throughout your site, helping less prominent pages gain visibility and enhancing the overall architecture. Strategic internal linking also encourages visitors to spend more time exploring, which can positively impact rankings. Mobile friendliness is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. With more users accessing websites via smartphones and tablets, ensuring your site's structure adapts seamlessly to various screen sizes can substantially improve user experience and search rankings. Implementing responsive design principles ensures that your site's layout adjusts smoothly, without losing any functionality across devices. Finally, we turn our attention to site speed. Imagine waiting for an elevator that never arrives. A slow-loading website can similarly frustrate users and send them searching elsewhere. Optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, and minimizing JavaScript are just a few strategies to ensure that your city of information runs efficiently. In summary, optimizing your website structure is like laying down the infrastructure for a thriving metropolis. A clear hierarchy, effective URLs, intuitive navigation, internal linking, mobile optimization, and fast-loading pages all contribute to a robust foundation that supports high search engine rankings. By investing time and effort into structuring your site, you're not only enhancing its visibility, but also crafting a navigable and user-friendly experience that invites visitors to explore. In the digital landscape, where visibility reigns supreme, a well-structured website serves as both a beacon and a destination, guiding search engines and users alike to your doorstep.